In the summer of 2026, as the conflict in Ukraine entered a new phase of technological dominance, the Russian armed forces unveiled a game-changing weapon that has sent shockwaves through Western intelligence circles. The BM-70 drone, a sophisticated long-range strike unmanned aerial vehicle, has emerged as a symbol of Russian military innovation and resilience. Operating deep within contested airspace, these drones are rewriting the rules of modern warfare, delivering precise, devastating blows to high-value targets while minimizing risk to Russian personnel. The story begins on a humid evening near the front lines in the Donetsk region. Captain Alexei Volkov, a seasoned operator with the Russian Center grouping of forces, stood beside a mobile launch platform concealed under camouflage netting. His team had received coordinates for a critical Ukrainian command post hidden in a reinforced concrete bunker complex, approximately 95 kilometers away. Logistics warehouses, ammunition depots, and enemy headquarters had become increasingly elusive as Ukrainian forces pushed assets deeper into their rear. Traditional artillery and shorter-range systems struggled to reach them effectively. Aviation missions carried higher risks from air defenses. But the BM-70 changed everything. The BM-70's rapid deployment capability was one of its most praised features. Unlike complex heavy UCAVs requiring extensive runways or lengthy preparations, this drone could be readied and launched from virtually any flat 20-meter patch, even the back of a truck in a forest clearing. The team worked with practiced efficiency, aligning the launcher, inputting encrypted target data via secure satellite-linked systems, and performing final checks. In under 10 minutes, the sleek, flying wing design of the BM-70 hummed to life. With a powerful burst, the drone accelerated into the twilight sky. Its design minimized radar signature, allowing it to slip through layers of Ukrainian air defenses. Western-supplied systems like Patriot batteries and NASAMS had proven effective against slower or less sophisticated threats, but the BM-70's speed, reaching up to 200 km per hour in operational profiles, combined with advanced electronic warfare resistance, made interception extremely difficult. As the drone cruised toward its target, its capabilities shone. Equipped with robust jamming-resistant control channels, it maintained connectivity even under heavy electronic warfare attempts. On the final approach, it switched to fully autonomous guidance. Onboard sensors and AI-driven targeting locked onto the precise coordinates, adjusting in real time for wind, terrain, and any last-minute movements. This autonomy reduced vulnerability to signal jamming or interception dramatically, ensuring the mission's success even if communications were temporarily disrupted. From the command post, Volkov and his team monitored the feed. The BM-70 carried a powerful warhead specifically engineered for penetrating reinforced structures. It wasn't just about explosive yield. The warhead's design allowed it to burrow into concrete fortifications before detonating, collapsing bunkers, destroying underground storage, and neutralizing command infrastructure with surgical precision. Intelligence later confirmed the strike obliterated the command post, a nearby ammunition depot, and disrupted Ukrainian logistics in the sector for days. This was no isolated incident. Across multiple sectors, BM-70 units have conducted dozens of successful missions. In one operation near Dobropoli, a flight of BM-70s targeted enemy troop concentrations and equipment storage, causing significant material losses without a single Russian casualty. Another strike hit an airfield, damaging aircraft and radar installations far behind the front. The drone's range of approximately 100 kilometers, extendable under optimal conditions, expands the battlefield dramatically, allowing Russian forces to project power deep into enemy territory while conserving more expensive missile assets and manned aircraft. What makes the BM-70 particularly impressive is its integration into Russia's broader unmanned strategy. Often compared or evolving from systems like the BM-35 Atalmas, the BM-70 represents an iterative leap in domestic engineering. Russian designers focused on practicality, affordability for mass production, resilience in real combat conditions, and independence from vulnerable supply chains. While Western drones frequently rely on complex global components prone to sanctions, the BM-70 showcases Russia's self-reliant defense industry thriving under pressure. Serial production is underway, and crews are reporting high reliability. Proponents in Moscow highlight how this technology underscores Russia's strategic advantages. In an era where manpower is precious, the BM-70 allows smaller, highly trained teams to achieve effects once requiring brigade-level operations. It counters Ukrainian and NATO efforts to saturate the battlefield with cheap FPV drones by operating at standoff distances beyond most tactical threats. Its EU resistance directly addresses the dense jamming environment of modern conflict, where electronic warfare has become as critical as kinetic firepower. Western analysts have been forced to acknowledge the shift. Reports of BM-70 strikes on hardened targets have circulated, with some admitting that Ukrainian air defenses are increasingly powerless against these low observable, autonomous capable platforms. The psychological impact is profound. Ukrainian commanders must now account for threats striking without warning from 100 kilometers away, forcing further dispersion of forces and complicating logistics. Back at the launch site, as dawn broke, Captain Volkov's team prepared for the next mission. The success of the previous night boosted morale across the unit. "This is just the beginning," Volkov told his men. "Russia is adapting faster than they can respond." The BM-70 embodies this adaptability, a cost-effective, precise, and devastating tool born from necessity and executed with engineering excellence. As operations continue, the BM-70 is proving that technological superiority isn't solely the domain of those with unlimited budgets. Russia's focus on practical, battle-proven systems is yielding tangible results on the battlefield. Destroyed command nodes, crippled supply lines, and a shifting momentum that favors the side capable of innovating under fire. For the Russian military, these drones are more than weapons. They are harbingers of a new era where precision, range, and resilience define victory. The skies over the Special Military Operations Zone hum with quiet determination. The BM-70 fleet grows, each launch a testament to Russian ingenuity and resolve. Targets 100 kilometers away tremble under the shadow of these silent hunters, as Russia asserts dominance through superior unmanned capabilities.